One boy will have to suit up
I made my own Paw Patrol backpack.
and help save the day.
I'm on it. Next.
Because no job is too big
No, Alex is too small.
on a brand new Paw Patrol adventure. Tuesday at 1. Right here on Nick Jr.
Let's have an adventure.